Hi and good holy everyone. So we will going to make a summarized video. We discuss the 6 topics which are information age, biodiversity and healthy society, genetically modified organisms, science, health and politics, and the aspect of gene therapy, and lastly the climate change. So first is the information age, also known as the computer age, digital age, or new media age. So nowadays, information could be shared or transferred quickly. People are becoming more interested in sharing information about themselves, various aspects of our society, and also being influenced by information age, especially communication, economics, industry, health, and the environment. So we should share information that could help improve our lives and others. And next, the biodiversity and the healthy society supports human and societal needs including food and nutrition security, energy, development of medicine and pharmaceuticals, and fresh water. So biodiversity seems in macro level seems to be still vast and rich. Yet if we look at it in macro level per species. So next is genetically modified organisms, science, health, and politics. Its guests are to preserve and prolong life in more than 4 decades since the first genetically modified bacteria was produced. So thousands of genetically modified organisms have been created and propagated. The major concern of the opponents is the long-term effects of the genetically modified organism to human, while the proponents' flagship is the success story of genetically modified organism recipients. So the fourth, the nano word. Nanotechnology refers to the various technology to produce materials of extra high. So nanotechnology is an advanced interdisciplinary field that encompasses science and technology that manufactures materials of great help to improvements of various areas, especially health, care, environment, energy, food, water, and agriculture. So fifth, the aspect of gene therapy. So gene therapy is a method that treats or cures genetic related human illnesses. There are 2 forms of genetic therapy, which are: one is somatic, which involves the manipulation of genes in cells that will be helpful to the patient but not inherited to the next generation. So but not inherited to the next generation. So while germline gene therapy transfer of a section of DNA to cells that produce eggs or sperm. So there are many ethical issues on gene therapy. Some of these issues are about questions on whose authority or power to decide which human traits should be altered. So lastly, climate change. So climate change is a worldwide issue that we have to face. Climate change is referred as a statistically significant climate variation persisting for an extended period of time. So climate change is brought by several factors like natural process and persistent human activities. So global warming is one of the major effects of climate change. Global warming threatens all the time on Earth. So that is the 6 topics that we will discuss.